So far, we have learned how to store data in variables like x and y, and constants. We have our building blocks. But what now? How do we use them? How do we add them together? How do we find the difference? Right now, our data is just sitting in memory doing nothing. To make our programs useful, we need to perform operations. To do that, we need operators. Operators are the action verbs of the C language. Welcome to Lesson 2.04. This is our first of several lessons on operators, and we are starting with the ones you already know from math, arithmetic operators. These are the symbols that perform calculations. We will cover the 5 essential arithmetic operators: plus sign, addition; minus sign, subtraction; asterisk, multiplication; slash, division; percent sign, modulus or remainder. First, the basics: plus, minus, asterisk, addition, subtraction, multiplication. Let's start with the simple ones. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication work exactly as you'd expect. These operations are straightforward and produce the expected results. Second, the trap: division, /, and integer division. Now, let's look at division, /. This is a major trap for new C programmers. If you divide two floating point numbers, float or double, it works normally. Float result equals 10.0/4.0. The result here is 2.5. But what happens if you divide two integers? Because the variables are of type int, C performs integer division. It truncates the result, meaning it cuts off the decimal part completely. So, x divided by y equals 2. Remember, this is a critical concept in C. Third, the remainder operator, modulus. If 10 divided by 4 is 2, what happened to the remainder, which is 2? That's where the modulus operator comes in. The modulus operator gives you only the remainder of an integer division. It is highly useful in many programming tasks, such as finding even odd numbers. 10 divided by 3 is 3, with a remainder of 1. So, 10 mod 3 equals 1. 12 divided by 5 is 2, with a remainder of 2. So, 12 mod 5 equals 2. Fourth, operator precedence, order of operations. Finally, C follows the same order of operations or precedence you learned in math, like PEMDAS or BODMAS. The operators asterisk, slash, and percent sign have higher precedence, are calculated first, then plus and minus. Look at this example. Int result equals 5 plus 2 times 3. The program will do 2 times 3 first, which is 6. Then it adds 5. The result is 11. If you want to do the addition first, you must use parentheses to force the order. Int result equals 5 plus 2 times 3. Now the result is 7 times 3, which is 21. Today, we learned how to calculate new values using arithmetic operators. And you may have noticed we keep using the single equal sign to store that result in a variable. But what if you want to add 10 points to an existing score? You might write score equals score plus 10. This is correct, but C gives us a much cleaner, shorter way to write this specific kind of assignment. The single equal sign is actually an operator itself, and it has a whole family of related operators. Click on the next video to watch Lesson 2.05. Operators. Assignment operators. Equals, plus equals, minus equals, etc.